Hello children, myself Ishwar Chand Balichwal welcomes all of you. Today we are continuing chapter 7, cubes and cube roots. Okay. Now we learn how to calculate cube roots. Finding the cube root is the inverse operation of finding cube. Okay, like this. Cube of 2 equals 8. So cube root of 8 is 2. This is the inverse operation. Cube root of 8 is 2. The symbol like this, a root with power 3. This denotes cube root. Okay. If we place here power 4, then fourth root. Okay. If we put here n, then nth root. This is the symbol of root. That is 1 upon something. Square root means 1 by 2. Cube root means 1 by 3. And nth root means 1 by n power. Okay. So here we provide this sign for cube root. Now we know cube of 3 is 27. So cube root of 27 is 3. Cube of 4 is 64. So cube root of 64 is 4. Okay. Cube of 5 is 125. So cube root of 125 is 5. Cube root of 217, which is the cube of 6. Cube of 6 is 216. And cube root of 216 is 6. Cube of 7 is 343. So cube root of 343 is 7. Cube of 8 is 512. Cube root of 512 is 8. And cube of 9 is 729. So cube root of 729 is 9. Cube of 10 is 1000. So cube root of 1000 is 10. And like that. Here we can see if the unit digit is from 1 to 10, then we get the unit digit of cube 8, 7, 4, 5, 6, 3, 2, 9, 0. Okay. So we only know that inverse operation of cube is cube root, and almost all digits comes in cube. Here 0, and cube of 1 is 1, and here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, only 8 is left, but no, 8 is here. Cube of 2 is 8. So all the digits are involved in the cube. So we can't get any clue. We can't get any clue by the unit digit. Okay. So by inverse operation we can found the cube root, but only the whole numbers. Now cube root through prime factorization. Whatever the number we have given, we just found the prime factorization and take group of 3 prime numbers. whatever be the factor, we select group of 3 like this. 3 into 3 into 3, 5 into 5 into 5 is the prime factorization of 3375. Now we select group of 3. This is first group and this is the second group. From each group we select one prime number. 3 from this and 5 from this. So 3 into 5 whole cube. So this way we can found the cube root. So cube root of this is 3 into 5, that is 15. 15 cube root. 3375 cube root is 15. Okay. So to found the cube root, first we found the prime factorization. So here this is the prime factor of 3375, and by taking one from each triplet group we select 3 and 5, so the cube root is 15. Now we take example. Cube root of 8000. So first we write down the prime factorization. Prime factorization of 8000 is 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, 5 into 5 into 5. Okay. So this way, here this is the group of 3, also group of 3, and this is also group of 3. So each from every group we select number. From here we take 2, from here we again take 2, and from here we take 5. So cube root of 8000 is 2 into 2 into 5. By multiplying this we get 20. Okay. And directly we can check here the 1 0. So we place 3 0. The cube of 2 is 8. So any number which having triplet of 0, their cube root is just make the pair of 0 and rest of the numbers 0, and found the cube root of the rest of the number and put 1 0 again, then we can get the cube root directly. Okay. Now our second example. Find the cube root of 13824. So first we found the factorization, prime factorization. 13824 by dividing 2, because there is even number. So divide by 2, we get 6912. Again divide by 2, we get 3456. Again divide by 2, we get 1728. Then divide by 2, get 864. Then divide by 2, we get 432. Then again by 2, we get 216. Then again divide by 2, we get 108. Again divide by 2, we get 54. Then divide by 2, we get 27. Now this is odd number, so we can't divide by 2. Now we divide by 3, we get 9. By divide 3, we get 3, and divide by 3, we get 1. So this is the prime factorization, and we take pair of 3. Okay. This way we can take the pair of 3. So this way we can arrange the prime factorization and select one from each pair. So we get 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 whole cube. So when we take the cube root of this power 3 is removed, and we get the answer 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 3 2 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 2 is 24. So 24 is the cube root of this 13824. So this way you can find the cube root of any given number. First of all, you have to factorize, prime factorize, then make group of 3 and select one from each, and then multiply. So you get the cube root of that number by prime factorization. Now we found cube root of a number by estimating. Without factorizing, we just estimate. So concentrate here and learn well. With the help of these steps, we can find the cube root of a number. Step 1. Take any cube number, say 857375. This number having 6 digits, making group of 3 digits, starting from this right side, like this and this. Okay, we make 2 groups, 857 and 375. These are the 2 groups, first group and the second group. We have 2 groups of 3 digits each. Okay, but the starting group must be of 3 digits. Rest of all, if they are 3 or less than 3, then in second group. If there is more than 3, then again we make one more group. Now step 2. In first group, that is 375, 5 is the unit digit. So we know that 5 comes at the unit place of a number only when its cube root ends in 5. So we can estimate 5 as unit place. So 5 at the unit place of cube root. This is our first estimation. Now step 3. Second group, 857. We know that cube of 9 is 729 and cube of 10 is 1000. So 729 is lesser than 857 and 1000 is greater than 857. So we select 729 because this is smaller than the given group 857. So 729 is 10th place of the required cube root. So we get, and 729 is the cube root of 729 cube root is 9. So we select 9 as 10th place and 5 as unit place. So 95 is the cube root of this. So this way we can found the cube root. In this procedure, we have to make the different group. From first group we estimate the unit digit, and from second group we estimate the tens digit. Okay, by comparing. So this way we can found the cube root of a number. Now we take one more example. This is our third example. Find the cube root of 17576 through estimation. Step first. First we make the grouping. Group of 3 starting from unit digit. So this is the first group and rest are the second group. So in first group there is 3 digit, but second group there is only 2 digit. Okay. So these are the 2 group. So digit 6 at one's place. So we take, in second step we found that we guess the unit digit. Here the 6 and 6 comes at unit place as the cube root as 6. Okay. So we select the 6 as cube root. This is our second step. Now take the 17. Cube of 2 is 8 and cube of 3 is 27. But 8 is smaller than 17 and 27 is greater than 17. So we select the 8, and 8 cube root of 8 is 2. So smaller number among 2 and 3, we select 2. Okay, so take 2 as 10th place of the cube root of 1756. So 2 as 10 place and 6 as unit place. So 26. So 26 is the cube root of the given number. So this way we can estimate the cube root without actual performing. So this is the way we can solve the cube root. So this is completion of our this chapter 7. Okay. So solve 7.2 exercise. This is your homework. Okay. If you have any problem, send me on my WhatsApp. Okay. Have a nice day. Thanks.